Are you in the market for a new TV but don't want to break the bank? In this video, we'll show you some tips and tricks to save money on your next TV purchase. Tip hash 1. Wait for sales. One of the easiest ways to save money on a new TV is to wait for sales. Retailers often have sales during major holidays such as Black Friday, Cyber Monday, and Christmas. Keep an eye out for these sales and be ready to pounce when you see a good deal. Tip hash 2. Buy last year's model. Another way to save money on a new TV is to buy last year's model. TV manufacturers release new models every year, and the previous year's models often go on sale to make room for the new ones. These TV are still great quality and can save you hundreds of dollars. Tip hash 3. Consider refurbished or open box TVs. Refurbished or open box TV are another way to save money. Refurbished TV are ones that have been returned to the manufacturer for repairs and are then resold at a discounted price. Open box TV are ones that have been returned to the retailer but are still in good condition. Both options can save you money, but make sure to check the warranty and return policy before making a purchase. Tip hash 4. Look for bundles. Some retailers offer bundle deals, where you can purchase a TV and other electronics such as a soundbar or streaming device at a discounted price. These bundles can save you money and give you everything you need for a complete home entertainment setup. Tip hash 5. Consider a smaller TV. Lastly, consider purchasing a smaller TV. While a bigger TV may seem more impressive, they also come with a higher price tag. A smaller TV can still provide great picture quality and save you money in the process. By following these tips, you can save money on your next TV purchase without sacrificing quality. Happy shopping!